guys, we are back with another video. We are going to be making the last mini folio, and we are using the Paper and Petal kit. Okay, this is 8.5 by 11. I printed out on both sides. We have a non-directional and kind of a directional, right? But it should be okay. All right, first things first. I did already do some marks, and so I can give you guys the right measurements, right? So we flip it over this way, and the first mark we're going to make is at 3 3/8. Second, we're going to do, from right there, we're going to do 4. And then we're going to flip it over like this, and we're going to go to the 2 3/8, and then we're going to have a space, and then we're going to do another tick mark at 5 3/8. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do before I cut is I am going to score. I think that is the best way to do this. So I'm going to just score where I have my marks, right, like this, and then we're going to score this one like that, and we're going to score this one, right, and we're going to put like, let's put a little, what is that, 1/4 over all the score marks, right, so I'm going to score this one, right, and then let's do this one. Okay, all right, so that is what you have, right? I know you can't really see it. I think you can see it better on this one, right? So you have all the marks. So now we are going to cut, right? Since I made the 1/4, we're going to cut along those lines, right, on the side, and like that. Cut that, this, oh, that could be better. Okay, now we're going to go around and cut this too. And so now that you cut your lines, you have something that looks like this, right? Okay, now what you're going to do is you're just going to fold right where the crease line is, like this. This one is so easy, I think. And then we're going to cut these off. Don't worry about that. So we're going to fold it like this, right? So this goes, we're going to put this one like this. All right. And we're going to make that look better. Okay. So then it's going to be able to fold back like this. All right. So essentially, this is the folio, and this is how it looks. And you're going to clean it up, make it look pretty. You're going to ink everything up and stuff like that. Make it look pretty. Make the fold lines look right. But this is how it is. So you're going to open that up. So you're going to have a pocket or whatever. Open it up. You're going to have either a pocket or journaling space, however you want to do it. I guess we could put a journaling space right here. And then these are going to be pockets, pocket, pocket, like this, right? And then you're going to be able to flip it over, and we're going to put something on the back, maybe a long pocket, and then you have this part right here. So only thing about it is we're going to do this one like this, so it'll be right side up when you open it, okay? All right, so we have the base of the folio, and that was really easy. Only a couple slits, not too hard, not too many folds, right? In my prototype, what I did is I chomp the corners. So we're going to chomp these corners, and we're going to use our large chomper. I'm going to chomp them right here. And this little baby folio right here to me is perfect for using up all your scraps and using up all the little bits that are in the paper collection, right? So we're going to go through and we're going to find some bits and some scraps to use for this. So this is what we have, right? So in this part, we are going to put a pocket, and this is the angle pockets that fit so nicely in there. So that's easy. These right here, these are some just regular rectangle ephemera. So we're going to cut those down to be a pocket like this, right? I think it was this one. Okay, and then we're going to use this one and this one for belly bands, right? And we can put something in there, right? That's how that is going to look. And then on this side, I believe I had it like this, and then we have these pockets that come with the kit, right? And then we have, oh, not this one. I think it was this one. We have this one that's going to go like here. And then I believe I'm going to use this like this, right? So it'll be a little pocket right here. And then you can put something right there, right? So that's all those. On the back, we're going to have another, I think on the back right here, because this is the back, right? And it's going to fold up like, it's going to fold up like this. Right? You're going to be able to fold it up like this. So on this back part, we are just going to put a belly band, because I think I'm going to make a little, I don't know, a tag. We're going to put a tag right here. And then when you have it like this, we're going to make this into a pocket. We'll probably use another one of the angle pockets for right here. And then when you open up, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to have pockets. So this is more like a repetition, you know, but it's going to be good. And then I'm going to take some of the scraps and I'm going to fold them over into envelopes, and we're going to put it right here. And then right here, we are going to do another pocket. This is what we have so far, right? I added a pocket and a little, one of the little specimen labels, label a pocket. And then we have pockets in here, and pocket right here, pocket. Then we have a pocket right here, belly band, pocket, belly band, right? And then I just put this envelope in here. This is an actual envelope that comes with the kit. I just double-sided it and printed it on the other side, so I can use that. Okay, right? And then this, we'll do this. No, it goes like this. Wait, no, I had it right. Okay, all right. And then on the back, we have a pocket right here. I have not put nothing in there. And then we have a little piece of paper, folded it up into an envelope. I love doing this. And this is like, it's kind of like a belly band, but I just glued it right here. This is another label from the paper collection. And it's kind of like a little side tuck spot, right? Okay, then you flip that over, belly band and pockets. I have not decorated anything else up yet. And then when we do the next part, which is the decorating and everything, this is going to go on here like this. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pocket to up here, and we're going to put like some straps, a Velcro strap to hold it on the back. What do you guys think? I think that's going to look cute. So I will see you in the next video, and then we'll be done.